Hey friends, this is Latif here, and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Dogelon Mars has formed another down channel on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently the price line is almost bounced from the support of this channel and also bounced from this support, quite long-term support of 1150 as well. And there was also a bullish divergence flash on the daily time frame chart and on a weekly time frame chart as well. You can see that on the daily time frame chart, the price line formed lower than previous low. The gas stick was forming higher low than previous low and also entered the oversold zone. And RSI also it was forming higher low than previous low. If you place a trend line, then it will be more visible. You can see that it was forming slightly higher low than previous low and also entered the oversold zone as well. And there was a double bullish divergence on this chart. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that even on the weekly time frame chart, the price line was forming lower than previous low. And stochastic and RSI, both oscillators were forming higher low than previous low. And therefore, the price line is recovered back. And on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price line is also testing this quite long-term uptrend line support as well. And we will also analyze this support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for GMX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 15th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, Dogelon Mars is moving inside this channel. By the way, during this move to the downside, we have broken down this very significant uptrend line support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past few weeks, it was working as support here, support here, support here, and support here. And now it can work as a resistance. And now it is dropped at the bigger uptrend line support that was previously working as support here. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And now recently the price is once again dropped at this support. And we also had a long spike up to this long-term support of 1150 as well. And at the same time, there was also a double bullish divergence flash on the weekly time frame chart as well, as the price line formed lower than previous low. And at the same time, you can see that stochastic and RSI, both oscillators were forming higher low than previous low. And this bullish divergence we also have on the daily time frame chart as well. You can see that even on the daily time frame chart, the price line formed lower than previous low, and stochastic formed higher low than previous low, and the RSI also formed slightly higher low recently here, slightly higher low than previous low, and also entered the oversold zone as well. Therefore, now there is a very low probability that the price line may break down this support of the this uptrend line support, and there is a high probability that soon the price line can make another attempt to break out the resistance of this channel. In case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 4200, and before that, obviously, we will also need to break out this uptrend line resistance as well. That was previously breaking as a very, very strong uptrend line support, and now it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Dogelon Mars. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And after that, we had a short pump, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And that technical target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 22760. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.